Hello everyone, this is our second tutorial on Django. In the previous video we saw how we can create a Django project, and in this video we are going to see how we can create an app. So in order to create an app you need to write python manage.py start app, and you need to specify the name for your app. Let's create an app. I'm just stopping my development server and writing python manage.py start app. Then you need to specify the name for your app. Let's say blog. Hit enter. Then you will see the blog app has been created. I am opening this my site Django project in Sublime Text, which is just a text editor, and you can make use of Notepad++ if you want to, which is just a text editor, or you can simply download this Sublime Text from Google. So you can see here inside this blog app there are multiple files and a migration directory that is created. This init.py file is just a blank file, because of which this blog directory is treated as a package. Now we are having admins.py file in which we register our models. Models are the classes which are treated as a tables in database, and when you define a model, then after migrating the app, the models are created as tables inside the database, and each attribute is treated as a column. When you migrate your app, the migrations files are created inside the migration directory. Now, when you create a custom app like blog that we have just created, we need to register our app inside our Django project. That we can do by specifying our app name inside the installed apps. You can simply write either the app name, or you just need to provide the class that is there in the apps.py file. Like here for us the class name is blog config. So in order to register your app, we will write blog then apps, and in apps.py file there is a class blog config. This will register blog app for our project. Now moving on to models.py file. So this is the file where we define our models, and there is a file test.py where we write our test cases for automated testing, and there is a file views.py where we write our views which we want to render when a route is fetched by the Django from the user. So that's it for this video.